Hey guys, it's Ashley. Today's video is going to be like a makeup and clothing haul. So I went to places like PacSun, Forever 21, Sephora, and Ulta, which are like some of my favorite stores. But anyways, I thought I would just show you guys what I got. And yeah, so with that being said, let's just get into the video. So the first place I'm going to be showing you guys stuff from is Sephora because it's my like all-time favorite. So the first thing that I got is the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer. I am so obsessed with this. I've already used it already. I'm actually wearing it today. Look how pretty it is. It's just like, it's amazing. And look at the packaging. Like, my favorite part ever is this packaging. I just love gold packaging. This seriously looks like amazing in my makeup collection. And I just love this. The next thing that I got, I am so excited for. And again, I'm wearing it today. I just can't resist. It is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm. I have been wanting this forever. Literally since it came out, I knew it was going to be like this big thing because look how pretty it is. And everyone loves it, including me. It smells like, what is that stuff called? Like, I've been thinking about it since I got this. It smells like that fruit punch that you like used to drink, you know what I mean? I don't know what it's called, but like I'll put it on the screen probably. But it smells exactly like that and it tastes like it too. But yeah, I'm wearing it today. Hopefully you can see it. Hopefully it hasn't worn off because I've been wearing it for quite a bit. But it's just so pretty. I am obsessed. The next thing I got with points. So my Sephora points. I obviously did not buy this. This is so expensive. But I got a Tatcha water cream. I really actually have been wanting this. So when I saw it for 100 points, I was like, I can snatch that up for sure. But I can't get it open for the life of me. Literally, like, do you see me struggling right now? It is impossible, but I'm so excited to use this because I've always wanted something from Tatcha, but I never wanted to spend like 80 bucks on like a face wash or a moisturizer. So I decided to just use 100 points and get this. So from Ulta, I did the little like benefit mini deal, you know what it is? It's like buy 3 get 1 free, I think. So I got the 3 things and then my mom actually got another one, so that's why there's only 3 things here. First thing that I got is the Benefit Porefessional Primer. This is the Pearl one. I absolutely love this. I think I got like a sample in a Birchbox or something, and ever since I tried it, I was like, I'm obsessed with this primer. Then I got the Benefit Dandelion Blush. Of course, this is a mini one because the sale was for the mini ones. It even has a mirror inside of it. Like, do you see that? Benefit is doing it right. Like, look at this blush. It is so pretty. It's really natural, which I like. Also smells so good. Like, it smells like sweet flowers, which doesn't sound amazing, but it smells amazing. The last thing from Ulta in like the little sale was the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. I always hear people talking about this and I wanted to try it. I love it so much. It is amazing. It is one of my favorite mascaras. I really like it. So from Forever 21, there's going to be 2 shirts that I will be exchanging or returning, but I'll go ahead and show you guys them anyway, so I'm actually going to start out with those. The first shirt that I'll probably be returning or exchanging is this one right here. I hope you can see it. I still actually might keep this and see if I can wear it with like some high-waisted jeans or something like that. So I'm not going to say that I am returning this yet because I really want to keep it, but it may or may not be returned. Next one I probably will return just because it is so cropped. So you can just kind of see right there how cropped it is. I do mind, really. I don't like shirts that are so cropped on me that you can just see my entire stomach. I prefer not to, but it's like a light pink and it says New York, New York on it. I just thought it was really cute online. It's like the crappiest. What? It's the most cropped top that I own, but I probably will return or exchange it for something that I know that I can wear. The next shirt I absolutely love. It is this little shirt. It's kind of like a flowy material, kind of sheer too, but it's like a burgundy kind of red color. And then the back is just also plain, but it has like a little thingy. What is this thing called? Like a keyhole, right? Yeah, a keyhole or something like that. But I think this just looks really nice with jeans. And then I got a pair of shorts. These ones, when I saw them online, I was like completely obsessed with them, and I still am. They're just these black shorts, but then like, wait, the sides are literally mesh. These are me in shorts. They're also super comfy. They're like a sweatpant material, if that makes sense. Like, you know, the comfy material. And then the last clothing item that I got from Forever 21 was this shirt. It has a cactus on it. I don't know if you can see that. And then it says, "No love without pain." Okay, it kind of looks like a tumblery shirt, if that makes any sense. But I just really liked it. It's black and white, which I love. It has a cute little cactus. I thought the writing was cute. So basically, I just really liked this shirt. So those were all the clothing items that I got from Forever 21. Then I got some makeup because they had a bunch of makeup on sale. I don't know what of this was on sale, but like, I got it. So I got the Essence I Love Stage eyeshadow base. I've been wanting this for so long. Like literally everything that I got I've been wanting for so long, and I used this today and it was so good. And then the next thing that I got is also from Essence. I literally hear people talk about this all the time, especially Liv Walters. Like, she literally raves about this. It's the Essence Lash Princess mascara. This is the one in the green bottle. I think there's like a purple one as well. So this is the false lash effect one. I am wearing this today. It is amazing. Like, if you hear people raving about it and you're like, oh, I don't know, just get it. Literally get it. It is so good. The next thing that I got is another Essence item because I guess I like Essence. It's a lip liner, which is my first ever lip liner. That's scary. It is in the shade in the nude. The actual thing looks like. Let me know down below if you know. Are you supposed to sharpen this? Or once you run out, is it gone? And then the last makeup product that I got from Forever 21 was a NYX butter gloss. I'm pretty sure this is on sale, so like steal. I got it for like $2 or $3, and this is in the shade Fortune Cookie. I wore this yesterday and it is so good. The color is amazing. This is one of my favorites, especially with like the lip liner. These two together look really nice. The last thing that I got from Forever 21 was some bracelets, so I got them in a pack. It comes with 4, but of course I was really impatient and I took one out. But I just thought they were super cute, and they were only $4.90, so that's not bad at all. Alright guys, so that was the haul. I really hope you guys liked it. I haven't done a haul in a bit, so I figured that I would just go ahead and do another one for you guys because I go shopping way too often. But if you liked it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below because we are like 7 subscribers away from 200. I'm sorry, what? Thank you guys so freaking much. I love you guys. So let's see if we can get to 200 quick. That would seriously like make my life. I am just like love you guys so much. And yeah, if you could also let me know in the comments what videos you guys want to see, that would help me out so much because I'm trying to plan out some videos for this month so I can upload a few times a week. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.